So Bitcoin recently had its rally all the way up to its all-time high this year, priced at around 31,000. This can be explained from many institutions and also people jumping onto crypto and investing more into Bitcoin lately. In this video, we'll go through about why Bitcoin has been pumping lately and also the reason behind it, along with also some advice and tips on how you can navigate through these markets. So to kick things off, we should ask ourselves, why did Bitcoin pump recently? So we actually had to thank BlackRock for this recent pump in Bitcoin because they have actually submitted a request for a spot ETF for Bitcoin itself towards the SEC. Now, with their filing to the SEC, many other institutions has jumped on board and also are more bullish about Bitcoin and crypto in general because BlackRock is the one that filed the application to the SEC. Now, why is that important? Is because BlackRock actually has a 575-to-1 ratio in getting their applications accepted from the SEC, and I would say that's a really bullish statement. Many firms such as WisdomTree, Invesco, Valkyrie Investments, and ARK Invest also has recently put in their applications for the spot ETF for Bitcoin, and this is the first time that many legacy financial institutions are jumping onto crypto and Bitcoin in general, which also could be the reason why Bitcoin is currently pumping. I know some of you are wondering, why now? Why? Because of BlackRock and many of these financial institutions, people are more bullish in the crypto market space in general and also on Bitcoin. Well, the reason is because the major problem in crypto is the lack of trust. With many of these financial institutions putting their application forward to the SEC, if some of these applications get approved by the SEC, this means that many of the clients or people who weren't investing in crypto in general now can invest through a trusted financial institution, which let's say BlackRock in this sense, to feel more safer and comfortable when investing into something like Bitcoin. And therefore, more investors will come into the crypto space, which means there's more money flowing into the crypto industry in general. Also bear in mind that this is all happening right before the Bitcoin halving, so therefore there's a lot of events that's causing Bitcoin to pump. And also just to add on top of that, Bitcoin also actually pumped to 138,000 on BINANCE.US, but we all know that's just a bug, but it's really funny and also it gives you like a foreshadowing of what could happen in the future. Hopefully. Now, having these major financial institutions applying for a Bitcoin spot ETF, you might be wondering whether this is good or bad for crypto. In general, I think it's overall good for crypto as you're bringing more investors in and more people can actually invest into crypto and Bitcoin through a trusted financial institution without them having the need to go on another exchange or a financial platform or even try to host their own wallets because they're, afraid to lose their keys. Having more investors come on can potentially increase the price of crypto and the market cap of the whole industry in general. So that's really a good thing for people who are currently in the market. However, I do have some concerns for these major financial institutions that are coming into crypto and applying for this ETF, as I think Bitcoin and crypto will be less decentralized if these institutions are holding massive amounts of cryptos in their treasuries. This will of course be the fact that the rich and powerful will become more, rich and powerful as they can manipulate the price and also basically cause market sentiment to go up and down whenever they so please. However, Bitcoin is currently actually trading around the $30,000 range, where I would suggest that you guys take more caution here in the crypto markets as we do not know where this might go. A lot of analysts are saying that we might see a trace back down to 20,000, but I think we might trade back down to 25,000 before we see another rally up to a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Just to add on, just sharing my thoughts about the crypto market in general, I'm actually feeling more bullish overall on the current crypto landscape because you have major institutions coming in, filing for a Bitcoin spot ETF, for example. Even though the SEC is suing COINBASE or BINANCE, we have some major progress in terms of other countries giving licenses to crypto exchanges like Singapore and Dubai and Hong Kong, for example. And I do think that the crypto market is actually starting a bull run real soon. It's just that we're waiting for a major catalyst to actually spark this thing to happen. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you do enjoy content like this and you want to stay updated daily about Web3 news, I do have a newsletter that I do produce every damn day. So there's a link in my bio. You can subscribe there too, See ya.